In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your t-shirt campaign in Teespring. Okay, you're going to need a Teespring account, so if you haven't signed up for one yet, now's a good time to do it. So just go to teespring.com, that's teespring.com, then go up here and click the login link. Now just click this create a new account link, or if you have an existing account with one of these other services, you can just log in using that. Okay, here I am at teespring.com, and Teespring is constantly updating their system, changing things, so this may look a little different by the time you watch this video. Now what I'm going to do first is press the green Get Started Now button. This brings us to the online t-shirt designer. In here I'm going to show you how to put a basic design on a t-shirt. You don't need any special skills for this, anyone can do it. And by the way, I'm using Google Chrome. That seems to work better with the Teespring designer than other browsers. Now the first thing we need to do is choose a color, a style, and a quality of shirt. Now here's an important tip for you. You don't want to use a white shirt for online t-shirt sales. They simply don't sell as well as colored shirts. Of course you could test this out on your own, but I think it'll save you some money just by choosing a colored shirt to begin with. The most common color to use is black, so I'll just click this black swatch here, and that changes the shirt to black. Now for choosing the style and quality. These are the basic t-shirts, the lowest in price, but they are all good quality t-shirts. You can see the base cost for 50 shirts is $6.25. Now if you click this down arrow here, you see that there's other shirts available, long sleeve tees, tank tops, hoodies, women's tees, etc. In the beginning, you may just want to stick with the basic men's tagless tee. Men and women both buy these t-shirts. Or if your shirt is specifically geared toward women, you could click on the women's tees, and I like to use the Hanes women's fitted tee. Now when you choose different designs, you'll see this base cost here go up and down. Now the base cost is what Teespring charges you for each shirt. Now don't forget, you don't pay anything up front. What they do is deduct this base cost from the money that they pay you. Okay, now I'm going to go back here to basic tees. I'm going to choose the Hanes tagless t-shirt. I see that the base cost so far is $6.25. Now let's put a design on this shirt. To add a design, you just start typing some text right in here. I typed all I care about is. Now we see that the text is black, so you can't see it on a black shirt. So I'll go down here to text color. I'm going to choose white text. Now I see that the text extends beyond this red box here. You have to have it inside of the box. Now I'm going to change the font style, and as you can see there's a bunch of styles in here you could choose from. Okay, under bold fonts I'm going to go with this Chuck 5. Now from doing our research in the previous videos, we see that this All I Care About saying is popular. We saw that shirt with All I Care About is Blues, and Maybe 3 People, and Beer. Okay, so here I'm going to put All I Care About is Boating, so let me add that line. And the way I add a second line of text is to click somewhere on the shirt, then just type in the second line. Okay, boating, now I need to make the text white. I'll drag it down by using the cross arrows here. Now I'll make it bigger by using these two arrows in the right corner. And you'll see when it's centered when this bright blue line appears. Now I'll add another line of text. Okay, I'll make it white, drag it down, and make it smaller. Okay, there we go. Now my design is on the shirt. Now you want to make sure that the design is centered properly. You want it to go directly over the chest, not too high, not too low. If you're not really sure where your design should go, look at some other shirts and you'll see how they're positioned. I'm going to raise my design up a little bit. I'll start with the first line. I could do it with these arrows, or I could do it with the arrows on my keyboard. If I click the up arrow, it will start moving up. Alright, after you get it where you want it, click the Save button, and this will save your design as a draft. You can leave Teespring and come back and work on it later if you like. Now notice that because I put a design on the shirt, the base cost of the shirt went up to $8.31. I'm using one color. However, if I added a different color, like this, if I added this pink color here, the shirt price goes up to $9.25. If I added an additional color, you see it goes up to $10.15. So the shirt starts going up pretty quick in price if you add several colors to your design. Now something else that you can do if you wanted to is add artwork to your t-shirts. You could either upload your own design or your own artwork, or you can search Teespring for their artwork. Teespring provides a lot of art that you can use for free. Let me just type boat in here. I'll search, and we see a lot of boat designs come up. Now I could click on any one of these. I'll just click on this one for demonstration purposes. And it's there in black again. I could change the color of that to white. And this actually was a row of boats. I could put that right there if I wanted to. And that's how you add designs to a t-shirt and artwork. Now that doesn't look too bad, but typically a boat owner will have just one type of boat. So I'm going to go ahead and delete this.